Oh boy.
I'm so glad Thanksgiving is over.
Amen.
I don't have anything to be thankful for after all that's happened.
Why, no, that's my boy. You have no reason or right to be thankful.
So I guess what you're referring to is Chef Jeff's cooking accident where he got his arm burnt using that turkey fryer for the first time. What kind of chef is that? Or maybe you're sad because Aunt Essie went away on vacation. She did send her crazy Aunt Bessie, who can't cook, but her twin sister to be with us.
Oh, why don't you stick your head in the sand and stop trying to be Miss Right?
Go on now, Bessie, you can say something.
Did somebody call my name? What's up with you, Timothy? Why the big, long face?
I'm not really thankful right now. Not only is Chef Jeff in the hospital and Aunt Essie is away, but Boaz and I aren't getting along.
Now you're cooking, now you're cooking. Boaz is nothing but a clown anyway.
And whose fault is that? I come back from Florida and all I get is lip from you. Why don't you two just chill out for a hot minute?
Give it to him, Boaz. Now, Timothy, you let him have it.
I'll chill you out if you don't mind your own business with that icky wig of yours. Look at that red hair. What is it, orange? What is it?
Boys will be boys, as they say. They say that we women got all the problem, huh, Aunt Bessie?
Aunt Bessie. She had the problem with her hearing aid like red.
Aunt Bessie, can you see?
I'm wearing my sister's glasses. It's easy to be thankful when you get what
No,
you
Aunt
want.
Bessie, what you talking about, girl? You're supposed to say I ain't helping things. You know, about boys will be boys.
Khadidra,
Yes.
not helping Khadidra. Look, Timothy, good things and bad things are going to happen, but your attitude about those things make all the difference.
What you talking about, Aunt Bessie? What you mean?
Well, my twin sister is away, but God sent me to be with you. Now, aren't you glad?
Boaz, baby, you glad?
Yeah, I'm glad.
That's true. I should be thankful about that.
And not everyone has a good friend. Even though you and Boaz fight a lot, Timothy, I know that you really care about each other. You love each other.
Khadidra,
When they're together, you can't even keep them apart. They double team me and get on my nerves.
that's right. We have fun messing with Khadidra, don't we, Boaz?
Yes.
All she do is stroke her hair. I don't know about y'all, but I'm hot.
Like I said before, it's easy to be thankful when you get what you want, but Christians are supposed to be thankful no matter what the situation. That's because God is in control and he knows what is best for us. All of us.
Oh, now here we go. I just had to bring God into the God.
Even bad things,
Don't take that, Timothy.
that's kind of hard. Even bad things. Are you sure?
Let's listen to Pastor Perkins' message. He will be preaching about being thankful.
And you still need to comb your hair.
Okay, ready?
And you need to...